Everyone, and welcome back to I Made Something, but I can't show you how I did it because I didn't film myself doing any of it. Alright, so today I made a giant blanket. Well, it's actually not like huge, it's only about this big. It's just a big square, but it's really heavy. Like, who needs to lift weights anymore when you can pick up this giant chunky blanket? It's really warm and big and cozy. And I used two big rolls of like this chunky yarn stuff. And I followed a video that I found on Pinterest, and it worked really well. Maybe I'll put a link to the video. Yeah. So this was really fun to make. It only took me about an hour. It probably would have taken me longer if I had more yarn. I kind of wish I had like one more spool of the stuff so that it would be like bigger and not just one big square. But yeah, it's really heavy, but it's comfy, and I actually haven't folded it yet, so it's folded now. Yep, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. I just realized I left my record player on. Yeah, I guess I'll just kind of throw that on my bed. I have so many blankets. Like, let me show you. I have this blanket. I have my mermaid tail blanket. I have this poncho here. I have my star blanket. Okay. I have this. I have another one of those under here. I have my comforter and then my sheet and stuff. But yeah, and I have more in my closet too. Like I have so many blankets. It's not even funny. Like I had no use for this, but I made it anyway because Jack of all trades, master of none.